Looking for marine speakers that can handle the toughest conditions while delivering impressive sound? These waterproof marine speakers are designed just for that. With a standard 6.5 size and weather-resistant build, they stand up to heavy water splashes and harsh outdoor environments. Whether you're on a boat, a wakeboard tower, or an off-road vehicle, these speakers are ready to elevate your experience. I've tried various external speakers on my boat before, and the sound quality just didn't last. After 2 years baking in the Arizona sun, the old ones started peeling and fading. Switching to these marine speakers made a noticeable difference. The sound is clear and powerful, thanks to the 240-watt max output and two-way full-range audio system. The frequency response from 60 Hz to 18 kHz means every note comes through crisp and balanced. Plus, the built-in blue LED lights add a fresh vibe for evening rides or water adventures, making every trip more exciting. Installation is straightforward with the included 9/8-foot wiring and a universal OEM replacement size. The low-profile design fits seamlessly on boats and watercraft without adding bulk, while the sleek black finish enhances your vehicle's style. The total speaker diameter is 7.3 inches with a shallow mounting depth of 0.92 inches, so it's easy to upgrade your sound system without hassle. If you want reliable, high-quality marine speakers that combine durability, style, and performance, this set is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to bring your water adventures to the next level.